Being a firefighter paramedic is one of the most rewarding and challenging jobs out there. When we respond to an emergency, every second counts. It's not just about getting to the scene quickly, it's about having the right tools and training to help those in need. 7 years ago, we started providing paramedic-level emergency medical care to the community. Now, we respond to over 3,000 medical emergencies every year. Whether it's a heart attack, stroke, or traumatic injury, we are trained and ready to provide life-saving care right on the scene. While we are ready to answer calls, our equipment is aging. Through the years, all these calls have put a strain on our emergency medical equipment and training tools. But there is a solution. Prop F on the April 4th ballot will provide funding to update our equipment and training tools without changing your tax rate. Funding from Prop F will help us stay current on our medical training and ensure our equipment is ready when you need it. We encourage you to visit our website and learn more about the zero tax rate change proposal. We are here to answer any questions you have about Prop F. Please be informed and remember to vote Tuesday, April 4th.